Unity is strength. Unity is strength. Unity means be together, okay? Be together or at one with one or something. Alright? And the moral of this story is when you work together, you are stronger. So let's learn the story paragraph by paragraph. So today we will be learning the first paragraph. So everyone stand up, do action and repeat after me. Alright? Yes, here we go. Once upon a time, there was a group of doves. Doves, okay, this is, they are birds, okay, doves, okay, doves. One day, they were flying in search of food. The king dove told them they should fly towards the forest. Alright, again, once more. Once upon a time, there was a group of doves. One day, they were flying in search of food. The king dove told them they should fly towards the forest. Alright, so let's learn the second paragraph in the next class, alright? And everyone revise it again and again, this first paragraph and learn, okay? And